Hello. Carol wrote in and asked, if you were tracking inventory, would you use the number of income accounts? And would this affect the inventory reports? When I am tracking inventory, what I do is set up a chart of accounts like this. If the inventory is a large number of items and I can categorize them in, say, perhaps 3 or even more areas, such as blue, red or green, I'm just using widgets in this case, I would then highlight under inventory, I would set up the 3 separate items as general ledger codes here. Under cost of sales, I would do the same thing. And under income, I would do the same thing. So blue inventory may be 50 different items that fall under the blue category. And I track the inventory value against 1-1410, which is an asset account. I track the cost of sales of the blue items against 5-1410, which is a cost of sales account. And I track the inventory, which is 4-1410, against the blue income account. Likewise, I could do this for the reds and for the green inventory. To see this in action, if I look at my asset account, I have blue inventory listed here, I have red inventory listed here, and I have green inventory listed here. And the total value of that inventory is listed at $141,629.70. Now, just as a reference point, I want to let you know that I have income, blue sales income, red sales income, and green sales income. And I have cost of sales. Blue cost of sales, red cost of sales, green cost of sales. Remember, this is when I have a number of items and I've split them up into different categories, and for simplicity's sake I am just calling them the simple colors blue, red and green. Now, how does that affect my inventory reports? If I come down here and click on reports, I'm using MYOB version 18, pop up here and click on inventory, inventory list summary, let's see what that gives me. Click on display. I have $141,629.70. So if I just minimize that and check that with my asset value that I had before, I'm clicking here on the Accounts Command Center and clicking on my accounts list. Over here on my assets, I had inventory 141,629.70. So I have different inventories adding up into that total inventory. We have answered the question, if you were tracking inventory, would you use a number of income counts? I would personally, but you don't need to, but I would. And would this affect the inventory report? No. If you're using a header account to total up all the inventory, it's fine for the inventory report. Thank you for viewing this video. If you found it useful, please visit us at Anise Consulting.